I think having to pick a lawyer is a really scary thing, and the only way that if I had to pick an auto mechanic, I would have no idea what to look for. But I'll bet you that my auto mechanic clients, they know how to choose an auto mechanic. If it's not an area of law that I know who to refer to, I tell them what I look for if I'm having to hire an attorney. I'm going to look for 5 things. I'm going to ask that lawyer, how long have you been doing this area of law, whatever it is? And I want to hear at least 5 years of experience. Otherwise, I'm going to be their guinea pig. Number 2 is I want to make sure, what's your caseload? Is your caseload, I do criminal, plus I do family, and I do immigration, and I also do property, and all of that. Then at that point, what you've got is what I call a jack of all trades and master of none. And the law now is getting so complicated, changing so fast. Every time a case comes out, and they come out weekly, it could change the law on a particular area. And for you to be able to be up on your game as to all the new law, it takes an incredible amount of devotion. And frankly, in my opinion, you just can't do it if you're trying to do 5 areas of law. At most, it should be 2, in my opinion, and they should be complementary. And that's why, for example, we don't do criminal law, we don't do divorce. What we do is we help injured workers get workers' compensation benefits, and we help them get Social Security benefits. Third thing I would ask is, what organizations are you a member of? Because I want to hear that you belong to attorneys who help people dealing with what I am having to deal with. So if I'm looking for a divorce lawyer, I want somebody who's a member of the Colorado Divorce Lawyer Association. If I'm getting divorced as a dad, maybe I even want somebody who's a member of the Colorado Divorce Lawyers for Fathers, because that tells me you're serious about what you do. We belong to the Workers' Compensation Education Association, which is the preeminent and the only legal bar for Colorado attorneys who represent injured workers. And what does that mean? That means 3 things. One is we're serious about what we do. Number 2 is we're paying for a lobbyist to lobby the legislature on behalf of injured workers. And number 3, it means that we're part of a network of attorneys throughout the state, and we're constantly discussing what's going on. Who's heard of this doctor? Hey, I've heard about this. So that you're getting not only the 30+ years of experience combined that we've got, but you're also getting the benefit of the experience from all the other attorneys. And finally, I would prefer to go with a small law firm rather than a large law firm. And here's why. With a large law firm, I think there's a real risk that you just become part of the assembly line, and all you are is just one more case that they need to quickly settle in order to meet their massive payroll every 2 weeks. With a small law firm, we've got the luxury of being able to give clients individual attention, to treat their cases as uniquely as they are, because every case is different. Every case is unique, and you cannot take a cookie cutter approach to them. And a small law firm is going to be able to give you that individualized attention. Call us for a free consultation.